Hey, welcome to my latest video. So in this video I went to Brighton with my friend Elle, who's from the London Con. We had to hit up the Gudetama cafe. We are both absolute complete Gudetama addicts. This was my second time going, but Elle's first. I managed to get like a few more pictures of the cafe. It was a lot quieter as this was like a week after it opened. Decided to go for cute vintage Lolita themed outfits. Elle is in Letter Doll and I'm in Fantastic Dolly. This was one of the vegetarian toasties, which was so cute. I'm obsessed with the little Gudetama.
Say hi.
Hello. And I went for the soup.
Oh, even the napkins have eggs in them.
One of the really cool things was that the soup came with these like little bread stamped Gudetamas that had been like squished down and they were so cute. I think it also had garlic butter. It was a really good soup. Honestly, if you do go, get the soup. It was great. Very kindly had this photo taken of us outside. I accidentally colour matched the cafe. We then headed down to the pier to play some games. I love an arcade. So does Elle, and it's really nice to have a friend who will dress up frilly, go to a cafe, and then waste the rest of your money in an amusement arcade. It got really dark really quick as well. We did have to have a bit of fun though with this. But it is really hard to take photos when you're the one holding the camera and in the photo board. I did speed up these videos of Elle playing DDR, mostly because I couldn't actually put the proper music on it, so we've got some YouTube copyright free music in the background. Also please watch the Isakuma. He is going for it. We honestly had so much fun here. Playing arcade games with a friend is just such a great way to spend an afternoon into an evening. I then took some very important selfies. My hair had somehow decided to curl. And these photos, this type of photo I am obsessed with at the moment, where you take a photo of like your dress and your shoe. I had to get a photo of my new whip with my girl, Hello Kitty. We then hopped on a bus home and it just happened to be like a really cool bus. I say home, I mean to the train station, but it's the same kind of thing. Also it had rainbow lights. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm really enjoying doing like these fun friend vlogging videos and I'll see you real soon.